Hey everyone, it's JENXOPLANS, and today I'm going to use the Planner Society November kits to decorate my planner for 2019, and I'm going to be using the Hobonichi Weeks. So I have a clear cover that goes on top of my weeks planner. This is just going to be my planner on the go that fits in my bag. So I just wanted to cover up the actual planner and put some paper in there and then decorate on the inside, and then I'm going to make a page marker as well. So this will be fun. Right now I'm going to make the page marker, and I just cut it down to size, and then I'm taking some of the vellum and I'm going to make a pocket. And the kit comes with these amazing cute lace border stickers, and you could make page markers with them or dividers. You can decorate you can actually decorate anything, your planner spreads, your scrapbooking pages. You could do so many things with them, but today I'm going to make a page marker and decorate my pocket with them. So I'm just going to layer that on top of the paper, and then I'm going to cut that down, and then I'm going to run it through the laminator. And to keep the top pocket in place while it goes through the laminator, I'm just going to stick some washi at the top of the pocket so that it stays still when it goes through the laminator. And then when I cut the lamination open, I will remove the washi tape. You'll see. So the kit also comes with these super cute bow stickers, and I'm going to place that on top so that I can see where my page marker is. This is going to be my today page marker, basically. So I'm going to layer the pink one on the front and then the mint one on the back, just like so, and then I'm going to run it through my laminator. So that came out through the laminator, and I cut it down. And the kit also comes with these super cute gold letter stickers, alpha stickers, and I am going to put my initials, JW, on the front. And now I'm just going to take one of my craft blades, and I'm going to slice the pocket open. And I'm just going to run that through on the straight line, and then I'm going to remove the washi from the pocket. And now I'm just going to go through my stickers from this month's kit, and I'm going to find which stickers I want to put in the pocket. I also, in the end, I didn't show this on camera, but I also put one of the sticky note pad papers in there as well in the pocket. And then I'm also going to add a couple of die cuts to decorate the pocket a little bit more. Moving on to decorating the inside cover of my planner. I just wanted to jazz it up a little bit with the pattern paper and some die cuts. So I'm just cutting it down to size, and then I'm going to round the corners, and then I'm just going to adhere it with some washi, or you could use removable tape, double-sided tape if you want. I just didn't want it to be permanent. So the clear cover also comes with these little pockets, so I'm just going to add a couple of die cuts in there. And then I'm going to cut this mint doily down because I thought the colors went really well. Another cute addition that came in this month's kit is charms. So basically it comes with a long piece of string and then a bunch of beads so that you can make your own charms for your planner. So you can do it in any size. It can cater to all sizes, and you can just trim down the string. And all of the beads come in different textures and shapes and fun colors that match the kit, so it's really perfect. So I was able to make this cute charm bookmark for my Hobonichi weeks. So that is my project for this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will leave all the links below if you would like to subscribe to the kit and the add-ons, and thanks so much for watching.